What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to make a fried bologna sandwich. It's not what I had in mind, but since I couldn't get the other stuff that I wanted, we're going to do this. So let's check out these ingredients real quick and then we'll jump right in. So right here we got 4 slices of bologna. This is from the deli at the store. And then right here we got some cheese, egg, fried veggies, spicy ketchup. And then this right here is a crispy sourdough French bread. Now I had to cut it down so it won't be massive, but that's what we're working with. Alright, so we're going to start with the veggies right over here. Boom. So I got 1 large jalapeno that I cut into slices and I'd say about 1/5 of a really, really big onion. Alright, let's get this stuff up and going. Get it turned up nice. Get that oil all over everything. There we go. We're going to let this cook up. I want the onions to cook down nicely. Get a nice sear on the jalapenos. Alright, let's just let this go for a hot second. Alright, so we're getting a nice sear on these veggies. Let's get this bologna going. Now when you do this, you want to cut the bologna, like put some slits in it, otherwise it's going to curl up really bad. This stuff is not going to take long to cook. I'm just going to get it going and then just set it to the side. Alright, let's check on these. Come on, I don't want to rip it. There we go. Alright, nice sear on that. Boom, let them cook up on that side. These veggies are looking good. Still want the onions to cook down a little bit more. Alright, let's see what we got. Boom, bologna's done. I'm just going to put that over to the side. I got this burner off over here. Off. These 2 are on high. So these things are going to stay nice and warm over there. These are looking good. Alright, let's get a little butter out. I'm going to toast this bun. Oh, got a brand new butter. Alright. Get that turned up. Get out of there. Now this bun was really big, or roll I guess I should call it. It was massive. I got it, let me see here. I took probably about 3 inches out of the middle of it. I cut it down here, cut it right up there. And yeah, that's what we're left with. Let's get that thing heated up. Soak up some of that butter. Get a nice toast on that. These veggies are looking good. Alright, we're just going to let that go. Going to be throwing on this egg over here and the cheese. Boy, going. Alright, these veggies are good. Look at that. Boom. Let's check this bread. Nice toast on that. That one needs more. Let's get it right over here in the hot zone. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's check this bread. It's been on for another like 35 seconds. It's much hotter over here. Burning my fingers. Got a spatula right here, man. Boom. Alright, we're good on that. Set you right over here. Alright, now the Bologna. We're going to, boom, set it right back here. We're going to throw a piece of cheese on that. And now we're going to do this egg. We're going to do that right over here in this cooler zone. Let's see where we're at. It's about 350. Rather be around 300, but do what we do. Get this butter on here. Alright. Stay. Alright, let's do the egg. All right, so we got that egg on. Just gonna leave it on for a hot second. I'm gonna cover this up. I want that that cheese to melt nicely over here. So yeah, we're just gonna let this cook up. We're gonna flip it. Oof, man, this is going good. All right, I don't know what to do. On the egg after I flip it and break it. I know what I'm doing. All right, there we go. There's our egg. I did give it a little stab. So we're going to put that right up over here, right on top of that one. That's going to go on top of this. And then here we got our bottom bun. Got that staying warm. You know what? Let's get this thing in here. Kill that. Oh, let's get all these veggies on here. I want them all. Nice and spicy. Alright. Throw that right on top. Now this bun is way bigger than what I needed. There we go. Crown it. Boom. I totally forgot about the ketchup, so I had to take it apart real quick. Get a little bit of that on there. This spicy ketchup. I love spicy ketchup. Just going to use that, spread it around. We're good. We're good. Boom. All right. Now, I will say this. If you're going to use a bun as big as mine, definitely add more ham or bologna and maybe another egg. Oh, baby, that looks so good. I think I'm going to go right over here. It's trying to fall out on me. Get back in there. That bologna is good. Got some heat. I'm guessing that's from the spicy ketchup. I put a lot of sriracha in my ketchup. Make it real hot. Nice, oh man, that's got a nice little kick on those jalapeños too. Or not kick, bite. Got a little crunch on those. Onions are delicious as always. Oh man, I got a nice spice in there. That runny yolk from that egg. Getting in the beer. That is a good sandwich. That egg is delicious. Everything about this is good. All right, I'm gonna get in, eat my dinner, and thank you guys for coming by. Appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. I got a huge list of things that are growing. So yeah, I appreciate you coming by. See you on the next one. Thanks.